Hey, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de and I'm here in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress 2018. And over here, Samsung introduced the new Samsung Galaxy S9 and its bigger brother, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And we're going to have a look at it. So let's check out the display first. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has a 5.8-inch AMOLED with a resolution of 2960 by 1440 pixels, so that's QHD+. The display ratio is still 18.5 by 9, and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has a 6.2-inch display with the same resolution. The position of the display changed a bit, so it looks like the lower bezel is a bit smaller now. Above the display there's the iris scanner and the face recognition, and Samsung is also offering some animated emojis now, which will copy the mimic of the user, so you can make some funny emojis to send it to your friends. Let's talk a bit about the technology. So the Samsung uses an Samsung Exynos 9810 octa-core SoC in Germany, or in other regions the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core. The S9 has 4 gigs of RAM and the S9 Plus has 6 gigs of RAM. Both have internal storage of 64 GB UFS 2.1, but you can also expand the memory with an SD card up to 400 GB. The Galaxy S9 has a 3000 mAh battery and the S9 Plus a 3500 mAh battery. You can charge it with quick charge or wireless. Both devices will be IP68 certified, so you can also use them underwater up to 30 minutes in 1.5 meters. The operating system is Android 8.0 Oreo, and it's also using the new user interface Samsung Experience 9.0. Both phones have stereo speakers that were developed together with AKG. Let's talk about the camera. So the S9 has a 12 megapixel camera with an aperture of 1.5, so you can really take some nice pictures even with bad light conditions. Both cameras have optical image stabilization and a combination from laser and dual pixel autofocus, so you can get some nice shots pretty fast. Another new feature is the Slowmo with 960 frames per second, which is pretty cool, and you can get some super nice effects with it. The front camera has 8 megapixel and an aperture of 1.7. Together with the Galaxy S9 there is also a new DeX station. You can just slide the smartphone in and use it with an external monitor, keyboard and mouse to be productive on the S9 and use it like a desktop PC. On the first look, the Galaxy S9 doesn't offer so many features, so if you compare it with the Galaxy S8, you really have to go into the details. We now have a center-placed fingerprint reader, which should be more comfortable. I'm looking forward for the new dual camera of the S9. And there is also a new color, lilac purple, next to the midnight black and coral blue versions of the phone. You can pre-order it today on the 25th February 2018, and it will come out on March 8, 2018. If you're currently a user of the Samsung Galaxy S8, I'm not really sure if you should switch to the S9, because I think the S8 is still a pretty good phone, but still the Samsung Galaxy S9 is right now the top smartphone from Samsung. And that was my hands-on of the new Samsung Galaxy S9 and its bigger brother, the S9 Plus. If you have any questions about these two smartphones, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.